Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download videos from PlayStation app. Now if you want to download the videos or the clips which you have captured and kept it on your PlayStation app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If you want to download the videos from PlayStation app, then make sure that you have installed the PlayStation app on a device. So if you have not installed the PlayStation app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you may open the PlayStation app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may simply log into your PlayStation app by clicking on the option of sign in. So the thing is that PlayStation app does not support downloading videos from the PlayStation app itself. However, you can view and share the videos from your PlayStation console. Now to do so, or if you want to save the videos from a console, then you need to simply record the gameplay from your PS4 or PS5 by using the create button which will be shown on it, and from there you need to go on the media gallery. So on the console button you will see the option of media gallery, so click on it, and after clicking on it you will see the option of upload to social media or from like that. So click on the option of upload to social media, and after uploading you can download the video from the respective platform which you have uploaded. So let's say if you have uploaded on Facebook, then you may simply download the video from Facebook, or if you have uploaded it on Insta, you may simply download the video from Insta.